Hey guys, Kevin here. How's it going? Today I'm going to make some vegan patties and serve them on this beautiful paratha that I made earlier today. If you'd like the recipe for the paratha, you will find it in episode number 40 of this video series. Okay, to make the patties, first put about half of one diced up red bell pepper in a bowl. Then add half of a small diced red onion. I think I might have a little too much onion in there. And add, about a half cup or so of coarsely chopped parsley. And then give this all a stir. These veggie burgers are going to have a nice texture because of all of the diced veggies. Then we want to add some black pepper and some salt. I'm using kosher salt. You could use sea salt. I'm putting, about a generous quarter teaspoon of salt in there. Then we want to add some spices. And I have some ground cumin here. I'm going to put in, about quarter teaspoon. And also a quarter teaspoon of chile powder. And because I have it, some onion powder, exactly this much. I love onion powder, even though there's onion in here. Then the binder is chickpea flour. And you can buy chickpea flour in any health food store. A lot of supermarkets carry it too these days, happily. You can also buy it in a pinch from Amazon, and that's 1 cup of chickpea flour. Then we're going to give this a very small stir. And then instead of using egg, because these are vegan patties, we're going to add water, plain old water, about 1 cup. But add it a little at a time so you can check the consistency of the patty mixture. And the good thing about these patties is that if you add too much water, you can always add a little more chickpea flour. And I'll bet you could make this with all-purpose flour as well. And now we want to test this consistency because we want these to hold together softly, and they are. So I use, how much water did I use? I use about 3/4 of a cup. And I'm going to heat my skillet and I'll come right back. Okay, I have my skillet over medium heat and I've added, a tablespoon or so of safflower oil. So then what we're going to do is spoon up some of this vegan patty mixture and flatten it out with the back of a spoon. And these are not big patties. Well, I'm not making them very large. And I think I can fit 4, maybe even 5 patties in here. They certainly look colorful, and as long as they hold together, we are good to go. Okay, I'm going to fry these, for about 40 seconds on each side, and then I'll come back. Flip time, and I can tell you they are flipping very easily. They are not falling apart. That's a really good sign. I'll be back. I am really impressed with how well these little patties are holding together. And again, they're super colorful and they're super healthy. And here they are, all fried up. And I did taste one of them, and it had a really wonderful crispy outside, but you got all of the beautiful juice from the red pepper and the parsley and the onion when you bit into the patty. So these are the ones that I only cooked for a short time. They held together very well. These are the ones that I cooked for about 1.5 minutes on each side. They held together even better. So it's time for lunch. Let me fetch the paratha. I'm going to assemble my veggie burger this way. I have my paratha. Here goes the burger. I'm going to take one of the very crispy ones, and then I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Now I realize traditional mayonnaise is not vegan, and this is just plain old Hellmann's, which is made with eggs. So if you are on a vegan diet, you will of course want to use vegan mayonnaise or veganese, whatever it's called. And to this mayo, I'm going to add a few lettuce greens. Well, maybe a mountain of lettuce greens. There's so many vegetables in the little patty that I didn't see the need to add any onion or anything else. So let's have a little taste. Wow. I'll bet you won't be able to eat just one of these. I have to tell you, they are super crispy on the outside, soft and wonderful on the inside, and the paratha just really completes the picture. So please give these little patties a try, give the paratha a try too, and I will see you next time with another delicious recipe.